I pre-drilled holes, so I'm ready to slam some screws into my paint stick side rails. I'm using 1/2 inch number 6 wood screws. I inadvertently ran a wire behind my side plate, so I had to take it back off. Reroute the wire. Which I barely had enough slack to do. Okay, charge ahead. Side rail number 1 complete. Seems pretty sturdy. Now for number 2. Okay, completed the side rails. They come out okay too, for paint sticks. What do you think? Now to pick up this mess. I got most of my food back where it belongs. There's one of my camp knives with a ferris rod to start fires. There's my other knife with an antler handle and my spork. There's a lighter in that little box. I have the 2 other lighters there. Slingshot, fishing pole, a little mirror for in the mornings, comb my hair. That's a bowl that opens up into a bowl that's pretty good size. It's silicone. There's my water jug. I think that's a 6-gallon. In my water jug handle is my bamboo spatula. I got my vinegar bottle for washing my pots and pans. 2 chargeable fans. A couple of camp lanterns, battery charged. My coffee pour over there for coffee in the mornings, and my ceramic fry pan sitting on my propane stove. This is what I got for my granddaughter for Christmas. It's a little car that you walk on and it steers, and comes with a little trailer she can put her toys in. I think she's going to have a blast on this thing. Now, I'm certain I'm a little biased, but that little girl's just the cutest little thing. And there's her cute little dog, Millie. That little Millie is just a little ball of energy. Well, that's my video for today. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas. If you want to like, comment, or subscribe, that'd be cool.